I am making 2 ingredient apple bites. I'm actually gonna make it 3 ingredients. Spraying my pan with my oil, my can of crescents, which seem to be sort of falling apart. Can of apple pie filling. Now we're gonna take our crescent, we're gonna sit it in here, take an apple, put it in with a little bit of the good stuff. Now, I make this 3 ingredient because I don't think this has enough sugar and cinnamon. And so then I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on, roll it, and there you've got 1 apple dumpling. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some cinnamon sugar, sprinkle it on top. We're gonna bake these babies. Ooh, yum. Here we go. Oh, yum. That looks delicious. Okay, this is apple dumplings.
Apple dumplings?
Yes.
All right. Let us try it. Mmm.
Winner?
Very good. Yum.